Hi, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to demonstrate how a 12-volt starter solenoid operates when it's attached to your vehicle. Usually this would be mounted on a fender wall or a firewall, wherever. And you're going to have a battery connection, your battery cable. It's either going to come in here or there, it wouldn't matter. And the ground situation is very important. You have to make sure you have a good solid ground that's not corroded or anything else, and make sure that the cables going from your battery to the solenoid are solid, not inferior battery cables. They have no corrosion on them, and they have to be tight. Going from your battery to here, and then going from here to your starter. And I want to emphasize that make sure that they're solid, no corrosion. So what I did is I'm using a 12-volt power supply, and I have the 12 volts running here, which this would be your battery cable going from the positive to the solenoid. And here you would have the cable going to your starter, from here to your starter. And this lead right here is going to my meter, which is actually going to show you how I'm getting the voltage reading from this, which right now I have no voltage going to it at all. And this would be your start cable. When you turn your ignition, it sends 12 volts to this stud right here, to this connector. So all I'm doing here is I'm going to draw power from here to there as if this was, turning your key, supplying 12 volts here. So as you can see, there's no voltage here. So I'm going to start the vehicle. I'm going to turn the key, and this would supply power right there. As you can see, I go back and forth. You can hear that click. It's actually connecting these two together, and this would be going to your starter. So if you could look at the meter, and when I do that, you see I have approximately 10 volts, whatever. That's because of the power supply. But anyway, this is a demonstration showing you that there's current going here, which making this connection going to your starter. And I hope I explained it simple enough. And again, make sure you have good ground, and make sure you have very tight connections, and make sure your battery is fully charged, because the starter does draw a lot of amps. Thank you. Bye-bye.